Hello, this is Amir from Patna College for Personal Studies. My college ID is 1812534. The title of the project is Customer Satisfaction Survey System for Power Bank ATM Service. The developed system is a survey system which collects data from the customer through a questionnaire survey to analyze the data. The system is a distributed system which has been divided into two architecture, IMI architecture and web service architecture. To insert data into the database, IMI architecture has been used, and to retrieve data from the database, web server architecture has been used. For the web server, a PHP server has been created. The data can be analyzed in graphical form. The aim of the project is to do a comparative analysis on the two different architecture. So the project is divided into two architecture to analyze how the data is transferred using these two architecture. To build the system, object-oriented programming concept has been used for efficient coding, and event-driven programming paradigm has been used to add functionality to the GUI. I am about to go through the project. Here is the server side of the RMI architecture. I have created an entity class. To fetch data. This class implements serializable, which is a tag interface. Tag interface do not have any function. In this class, we have encapsulated the variables and created executor and setters. This remote interface has been created to invoke the declared set of methods from a remote Java system. This interface has abstraction as there is no behavior defined in the method. This interface also has inheritance because it extends from remote interface for a child-parent relation. The implementation of this interface has been done in remote question bank. This class implements the interface methods by overriding the behavior. This class also stores the questions and their answers. Start server class is used to start the server. This class creates a registry which it binds with a reference variable and a port number. To store data, a database has been created in MySQL. JDBC library is used for the database connection. DB connection class is responsible for connection to the database. DB controller class has queries to insert and retrieve data. The queries are run by using the database a DB connection class. So let us now start the server. Now let us go to the client side. Question controller class here in the client side is used to obtain reference to the remote object registry. This class is also used to call remote interface methods. Now let us see how a customer can take the survey. And this is the home window for the customer side of the project. By clicking on the Start Survey button, the survey can be started. Event-driven programming paradigm has been used for adding functionality to the system's UI. Here in this window, the customer has to enter their information before taking the survey. The data will be stored in a table called customers. Now the survey has started. There are 9 questions to be answered. The questions and their options have been displayed here by retrieving them from the server using question controller class to invoke remote methods. Now let us take the survey. The survey has finished. Now let us go to the admin site. The admin has to log in with the right credentials to gain access to the admin privilege. Here is the admin dashboard. The admin can analyze the data and view the number of customers. By clicking on the Analyze button, the admin can analyze the data according to the question. GFIL library has been used to display the data into pie chart. To display the number of customers, the system uses Web Service Architecture. JSON Data API class is used to retrieve the data from the database through the URL. In the URL, we are given the path to the PHP file. The PHP file connects the database and performs its given query. The result that we get from the class is parsed into a JSON array format, and using the JSON object, we have accessed the values inside the array to get the values that are required for creating the pie chart. Now by clicking on the View Customer button, the admin can view the data into tabular format. So this is how the system works. Thank you.